Okay. So everyone seeing my screen, right? So this is our integration flow. I mean, I haven't put anything. Okay. So this is our sender. This is one receiver. Okay. So I am taking one more receiver, for example. One more receiver, for example. So take one more receiver from here, participants. So this is one more receiver. So this is also I am putting the email only. So I want to copy the configurations from this to here. You select that, copy and paste it here. Okay. So now I am putting a router here. Router, where is router? Router. So from this router, I am taking out one more branch to this second email. Sorry. Okay. So now this mail, I am saying branch one. I am saying product details. France. Order details for France country. Okay. Similarly, this receiver is for, I'm just putting details for Germany. Okay. Germany. So simple guys. You see here the mail ID is towards Smart Choice IT Tech 5. Okay. So for this, the subject is Germany. So that means this receiver application representing Germany. Okay. And this application representing France. Just for example. See, this is France. This is also Smart Choice. Okay. Or I can give this one here. Okay. This application, this email is for France. The second email is for Germany. Now this is router. So as I said, router, it has two branches. This is branch 2. This is branch 2. See here, name branch 2. Okay. So this one is branch. Sorry here. This is route 1. No, something wrong. Let me delete this out. This is route 2. You see, this one is route 2 and this one is route 1. Okay. So first of all, route 2 is France, right? So for router, we have two options, XML, non-XML. So I am going for XML. Okay. So condition must be XPath. Okay. So I would like to give the input as this one, this XML. Okay. So whenever ship country is France, I should go to first receiver. Ship country is Germany, it should go to the second receiver. Okay. So the XPath for this is order/record/ship country, right? Order/record/ship country. Orders/record/ship country equal to France. So this is this route. Now second route will be default. As I said, this is the configuration of router. Okay, how many branches are there? It may contain n number of branches. Okay, so one branch must be a default branch. Remaining all will have condition. Okay, so how this thing works is the branches which has condition, that condition will be validated whether condition is true. If condition is true, data will be passed to that particular application, that particular receiver. So if all conditions failed, 100 branch out of all branches, so then it goes to the default branch. Got it? If all branches fail, then it goes to the default branch. That's why I have given condition for one branch as France. Okay. So I will be sending from source France or Germany. Only two I will send. Okay. If France is received, then it goes to this one. Other than France, only option is Germany. So this goes to this branch. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am taking this XML. Till here, and I am going to Postman. Yeah. See here, guys, I have given two records. Okay. So one record is France and one more record is Germany. Okay. So I have given the X path as equal to France. If it is France, then goes to receiver one. If it is not France, goes to second receiver. Can somebody tell me now, if I trigger this message, okay, if I trigger this message from Postman, how it will process to the receivers? How it means this receiver, what data he will get? This receiver, what data he will get? Anybody tell me? Guys, please. I will trigger this data. It has two records. One record has France country, one record has Germany country. So now I trigger this data to CPI. And in CPI, we have a condition router. Okay. So routing condition, it is checking for shipping country. If France, then it goes to receiver one. If not France, then whatever else goes to receiver two. Sorry, here I will say this is receiver one. Okay. So tell me what happens when I trigger this data. Can somebody please fast?
Receiver 1 will receive Germany information and receiver 2 will get France information.
No, I think you are telling other way around. Receiver 1. Okay. This is receiver 1, right? You see receiver 1 here. You see receiver 1. The condition for receiver 1 is it is checking for France. Okay. So you mean to say receiver 1 will get France and receiver 2 will get Germany, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Anybody else? Anybody else? Guys, please, 1 more minute I will give. Please answer somebody. Is it the same answer for everyone or not? If not, what is your answer? At least please comment.
I think it won't go because there is some error, but I don't know what is the error.
You mean it will fail? It will not go anywhere, right?
Yes.
Okay, right. Anybody else? You have to answer, guys. You have to answer. Okay, right. Only two people. People are not responding anyway. So let's see. Let me trigger. So did I deploy this first of all? Save. What happened? It got stuck. Just checking the endpoint only. It was there. Product details. Okay. Save. Deploy. So after deploying, I would like to okay, it is deployed. Okay, I will enable trace. Okay. Let me enable trace. Meanwhile, I will get the token here. So get the token. See guys, here if you see again, I am saying again, see, expires in 3,599 seconds. Okay, that means almost 1 hour. Okay, so up to 1 hour, this token is valid. So up to 1 hour, you don't need to fetch the token again and again. Okay, so once you fetch the token, it is valid for 1 hour. Okay, I am sending the data. So what happened? 200. Okay, response came. Let me check. Array, I haven't enabled the trace now. Let me enable the trace again and I'll trigger. Okay. And, there should be one. Where is CPI helper? Okay. I'll tell about CPI helper later. So this one, right? Let me enable trace. Okay. Now again I will trigger data. Okay. So here go to monitoring. What happened, guys? Can anybody tell me what happened?
Only receiver one will get the data.
Why? Why only receiver 1? That is my question. So now, guys, you understood data goes to only receiver 1. But actually, it's supposed to go to receiver 2 as well. So it should contain France data, it should contain Germany data, but only data went to receiver 1. Okay, let's see what data went to receiver 1. Let's check first. Okay, so this one, right? So this one, if I see, or this particular step, if you click, okay, this is highlighted here. Okay, go to message content and see the payload. So it has record contains France, and also there is some more information here. So the next one, which is Germany, means second record also there here only, right? That means both France and Germany both went to receiver 1. Now tell me why it happened.
The data did not slip.
Yeah, the data did not get split. See, router, the job of router is, incoming message. The entire incoming message, on that entire incoming message, it will apply a condition. Okay, so it will apply a condition based on these branches. So this branch condition is satisfied, then that entire message will be sent to this receiver. If this branch condition is not satisfied, then that entire message goes to this receiver. There is no part of message. Okay, this part satisfied the condition. Okay, this part only go here, this part only go here. No, not like that. So router treats entire message. Now let's come back to the condition we have given. See the condition here. What we have given here? Orders slash record slash ship country. Am I right? So now, so this is our XML we have given. Now tell me, orders slash record slash ship country contains what? Orders slash record slash ship country. What data it contains? That XPath contains.
It may be France or it may be Germany.
It contains the entire data.
No. I am asking record slash ship. This XPath contains what data? What data does it contain?
Name
Under
of the country.
Yeah, what it is. This is the incoming, this is the XML. Yeah, in this XML, for this XPath, what is the value you get? Tell me, in this XML.
10248.
What are you talking here? I am not. See, what is this?
Ship country.
What it has? Ship country contains what?
Country name.
What is that country name?
France.
That's what I am asking. So under orders, there is record. Under record, we have ship country. What data ship country has? France.
Hmm.
Am I right?
But we are
Yeah.
not given any condition, right? France or Germany. How
Why
it will be decided? Only
We have
France.
given order slash record slip country equal to France. We have given the condition. Okay.
But this is route 2 now. We should give the same expression in route 1 because I think France is in route 1 now.
No, don't get confused here. Don't get confused here. So route 2, route 1 is different. See, route 2 is connected to this one only. So maybe the naming is different. Route 2 is connected to receiver 1. Okay. Don't get confused. See, receiver 1. Okay. Route 2, receiver 1. Okay, now clear?
Yes.
So this root 2 only contains the condition equal to France. Is this condition satisfied or not? As per our analysis also, this returns France only. So when this condition is satisfied, router thinks entire XML. It will not split only till here. No, okay. It will route that entire XML message to the branch or to the route where the condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied, to that route, entire XML is sent. So now tell me, what is the X path for this particular path? If you want to receive output as Germany, what X path you should give?
Orders slash record slash ship country.
It will be same, just the country name will be different.
I am asking X path. What X path returns the value Germany? This X path returned France.
Yes.
To retrieve this one, what should be the X path? Is it the same X path or you need to do any changes?
Orders slash record slash ship country not equal to France.
No. See, in this XML, this is treated as a first record. Am I right?
Yes.
This is treated as second record. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
If you want the ship country information of second record, you mention it as second here.
Where we mentioned in brackets.
I told this one in the earlier classes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then if you mention like this, you get Germany. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever condition you give in the router, okay, if condition satisfied, whether it is Germany or France, whatever, if condition satisfies, then that entire XML will be taken by router and send it to that particular branch. You got it? But now my requirement is not like this. My requirement is router should route only France information to France and Germany information to Germany.
We should
Router,
use the splitter.
yeah, that's why router says, boss, I am not the person for your job. My job is just check the condition and put it into different route. That's it. I will not be able to split. Okay. So you want to split, you go for splitter. So that's why now what I will do, see. Now what I will do, I go here, I put a splitter here. I will put a splitter here. What splitter does now? What splitter does? This entire incoming message, it will break down into two parts. Okay. This record, it will break down into one message, and this will record, this record, it send as one more message. That means now router will get two messages. Each message contains only one country. Now it will check whether it is France, then route that message to France. If it is not France, route that to here. Now you understood the funda or fundamental, why we use splitter?
Yes.
Let's see now. So here I put the okay. Now save. Oh, sorry. Splitting means I need to split the individual records, right? So I'll give till here, order slash record. That means it will split the two records into two different messages. Save. It will split one message containing two records into two different messages containing, each message contains one record each. Okay, I will show you everything. Don't worry. It is deployed. Let me go back and enable trace. Okay. So I have two messages. See now, what happened now? I have a message on this branch as well as this branch. Okay. First you see here, this is the input, right? We have sent. See, this is the input. It contains one record and this is the second record, 248 and 249. See, now splitter comes into action. So this one contains, or this one here, if you see, it contains only one record. You see, this is only France record. Now router, what happened? What did router do? So it is simply, this record is for France. Okay, send it to France. Over. Okay, for France, what we did, our email is, for France, what is our email? See here, to test CPI. Am I correct?
Yes.
See, this is the France one. This is the France one. We have test CPI is the 2, right? Now splitter, first split is over, first branch is completed. See, from splitter to the mail, entire thing is completed. Now it goes to the second route, second message. See, this is Germany message. Now it will again check the condition, router condition. So ship country is not equal to France, right? In this case, so it will send to other route. So if you see here, it is smart choice. Okay. So now in this case, what happened? Router received 2 individual messages from from splitter. One message, for one message, condition is satisfied in this branch, so it went to here. One more message, this condition is not satisfied, so it went to default branch. Got it? The behavior of default branch also you understood, right? So everyone understood or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the necessity of splitter? When should we use splitter? Understood?
Yes, Praveen.
Okay. So it is not only in this case here. It is not only this case. Usually, whenever incoming message contains more number of records and the design requires the splitting of incoming message. Okay, then we use splitter. Okay, right? So we have discussed general splitter. Okay. Now, if you clearly notice the output of general splitter, if you see the output of general splitter, you see structure wise, is it same as incoming message or not? Structure wise, I'm asking. Is it same as incoming message or not? In structure, we have root node. The general splitter output also, we have root node and remaining, right? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Structurally, incoming message structure, however it is, in the similar structure output we have. That means it contains the root node and then the sub node, all these things, same. Now I would like to put iterating splitter here. Okay. Let us go iterating splitter. What is this iterating splitter? Okay.
Repetition of the data in a loop.
Okay. Iterating means right. The word it says like that. Okay, fine. So now I will show you for the same input what will be the output. Okay, for iterating splitter. Okay. You see, this is the incoming. So for iterating splitter also, if you see, I have XPath. As of now, I will select XPath only. So XPath, same XPath expressions I will give, guys. Orders slash record slash ship country. Sorry. Order slash record, right? I should give. So grouping, I have selected one as usual. Remaining also same as same XPath. Everything is same, right? Iterating splitter, general splitter configuration. So I will give simulation. I'll give the simulation. Okay. See here. We have got the output. What happened there? We have 9 messages. Okay. As we have given 9 records in the incoming. So you see here, this is the output of iterating splitter. Do you see anything missing compared to general splitter?
Node is missing.
Root node is not there, right?
Yes.
So in general splitter, we have
Root node.
general splitter, we have root node, whereas in iterating splitter, we do not have root node. This is the difference. Okay. So that's why we say general splitter. That's why you say general splitter preserves root node information after splitting, whereas iterating splitter does not preserve any root node information. Okay. This is one of the differences. General splitter preserves root node information, whereas iterating splitter or iterating splitter does not. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Clear, guys? So one more thing. In this way, the output of generating splitter is always a valid XML. Okay. So iterating splitter, we may need to add a root node in iterating splitter because we don't have root node in it. Okay. Okay. So till here, please practice. We continue on Wednesday. Okay. So we have to discuss few more options also. Here, line break option. Okay. So shall we discuss one more session, guys? Everyone, is it okay? Maybe 15 more minutes. Okay. Is it okay for one more session? 15 more minutes. or we connect
Yes,
on
Praveen.
Wednesday?
Yes, Praveen. Okay.
Yes, yes. Others also?
Yes.
Okay, most of the people are saying yes. So please reconnect on the same link. I will discuss on the line break. It is simple. It will take hardly 10 minutes. Okay. Line break option. Please rejoin everyone the same link.